Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez, and today I am taking you back with me to the 99-cent only store. This time I'm going to show you what they have out for Easter at the moment. I'm hoping that they are going to be adding some more items here pretty soon, but this is what they currently have out. If you see something you like, go ahead and get it quick because Easter stuff sells out quick as well. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a new video. And if you like this video, please make sure to like it and leave a comment and share it with family and friends. That really helps my channel out. I do have a separate video where I show you their spring collection, which by the way is phenomenal. I absolutely loved all the items that they have, so make sure to watch that video. It is the last video before this one. Again, for this one, all I'm going to be showing you is Easter decor. As you can tell from this video already, it is very bouncy, very choppy, but I had someone following me, and it wasn't crazy following me. It was just, I think they were just curious to know and see what I was doing. And I get that question asked a lot on how I do these shop with me's, if it makes me nervous, if it makes me feel embarrassed, and it does a little bit of both, but I have found that it's easier to just go ahead and do it. It's out of my comfort zone, but I enjoy showing you the items that I'm able to find and give you these ideas. So I just push forward and do it no matter how embarrassed I am. People are gonna judge you anyways. That's more a reflection on them rather than on you. So they're gonna judge you if they know you're filming a YouTube video or you're filming just to film, than if it was you talking on the phone on FaceTime, because people get annoyed by that anyways and judge you. So might as well just do what you do, and who knows, maybe they'll become interested, know that you're filming a YouTube video, search you up, and then subscribe. So it ends up working in your favor at the end. So my biggest suggestion is just go forward in doing what you love. As you can see from what I've previously shown you in this large selection over here, they really have you covered with non-candy basket items. These cups are just adorable. They have them to where they would be good for toddlers all the way to teenagers. So make sure that you check out your local 99-cent only store and pretty much any dollar store, because they are really upping their game when it comes to basket fillers. Everything is just adorable. And then they also had some pretty unique baskets to choose from. I didn't see a lot at my store yet, but again, this is just the beginning. I do prefer the Dollar Tree ones though. Those are usually just really cute, and they have these ones that are like a knockoff off of Pottery Barn. And then if you not want to use a basket, they do have this cute little option. It's smaller, you can't fill it up with a lot, but it's still really cute, maybe to just do a couple candies in here and then do the rest as your basket fillers. Let me know if you want me to do a video on non-candy basket fillers. I hope that makes sense. It sounded like a tongue twister to me, but let me know in the comments if you do want that separate video. Now, I'm not coming on here a lot, but I did want to come on here for these. These are adorable. I absolutely love them for $2.50. It just makes sense to purchase them. And of course, they have a pink for a girl and then a blue for a boy bunny. And their ears are repositionable. Not repositionable. Like you can change them up. That's what I'm trying to say. They have a little bit of wire in them, so it makes it easy to do that. This one could not stand back up, but they do stand up. They don't topple over. Just that one, I guess, didn't have enough at the bottom. So when you're buying them, make sure that you try one that does stand up straight so that you can use it on your tier tray or wherever you'd like. And you can also add cute little legs if you'd like out of some other fabric if you want it to be more of a shelf sitter. Another thing that I found to be really cute are these little headband and skirt sets. They're only $1.99. It's like a pre-made little costume, and let me tell you, the fabric is actually really soft. It doesn't feel like hard tulle or anything like that. I touched it and it was very nice and soft. These are perfect if you're going to do like a quick little photo shoot with your children, especially on babies. They are one size fits all. These purple ones did seem to be a little bit smaller than the pink and the light blue that were up top, but they're very easy to be sized anyways. Another thing that I thought was adorable were these hair clips. They come with a little tulle bow, a little ribbon bow, and then these cute bunny ears. They are just perfection. You get 2 of them for $1. I only saw them in the purple and pink. I didn't see them in the light blue, but again, just a great buy for $1. And then the costume set for $2. It's just pure perfection. Don't worry, boy mamas, they also have items for boys. They had these really cute gingham ties. They had them in this very cute tan, and then they also had bow ties. Both of them come in the tan and in this blue, and it's a darker blue. It's not a light blue, which I thought was a really good touch. They have a larger selection of bunny ears, but this one was just my favorite. Everything about it, the ears, the bow, it's just my favorite. And that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me to the 99-cent only store. Again, I do have a separate video for their spring collection, which was adorable. You have to go check out that video. Also make sure to check out my DIY tier tray decor. That video is doing really well, so thank you for everyone that has taken the time to watch it. I appreciate you coming over, and you have a very good rest of your day. Bye bye.